everyone. So it has been a hot minute over on this channel. I have not been around, probably noticed, but I have kind of had a month, I would say a month, I've got hair in my mouth, lovely. I would say I've had a kind of like a month and a bit off, just haven't been in the right mindset to film, and I didn't want to give you stuff that wasn't what I was all about, if you know what I mean. So I am back. If you're new here, I'm Christina. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Come and join the fam and subscribe, follow me on Insta, do all the things. But today I'm coming in with a weight loss update. I'm actually quite proud of my journey so far. I've only really been doing it a month, I'd say, properly, because I've been away, like I've been doing bits and bobs, but I've still managed to lose. I'm not calling it a diet if you're new here. It is a lifestyle change, which is helping my mental state in not craving all the chocolate, all the things. So let's jump straight into the video on our weight loss update journey. Right, first of all, I'm going to share with you the products that I'm absolutely obsessed with from Exante. So this one is a new one out. By the way, I'm not sponsored, nothing like that. It's just what I've been loving. This is the diet I've been doing. And I've been doing the 1,200 calories from Exante because I can't just eat bars and shakes. I need food. Whereas I know people that are just doing bars and shakes, which don't get how you're doing it, gals, but good for you if you are. But I am doing the 1,200 because I kind of want to lose it slowly. My end goal, if you're new here, is March 2023, which will probably be April, May time, when I'll really hit it, because obviously we've got Christmas coming up, we've got all the autumn things, which I'm obsessed with and I can't wait. But let's stick to this video for now. So yeah, I've been loving these. So Exante have paired up with Vinto and have brought out these bursts. So bursts are like basically an energy drink, but they have multivitamins in it, and they're really nice, to be honest. There's 30 sachets in here. Each drink is 12 calories, so that's basically nothing. And yeah, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually having one right now. This is my first one, not gonna lie. But it does actually taste like Vimto. It's just a sweeter version. Like, it doesn't have that extra taste, if you know what I mean. I don't know, if you've tried this, you'll kind of know. It's kind of like a flat Vimto. Which, to be honest, I don't mind it. So I've been loving them this month, the month of August. Then for my favourite product, my favourite ever bar, is this one so far. It's the salted caramel flavour. This is amazing. Like, all the other bars have been okay, but this, I could literally eat these all day, every day. So this is my new favourite obsession. This was actually said to me by a friend at work, because she's doing it as well. And yeah, I'm obsessed with that. And then I'm obviously a chocolate gal as well. So I tried the milk chocolate and orange flavoured bar. To be honest, I'm surprised I love the salted caramel one more, but this one is actually also very nice as well. So I would recommend this one as well. They don't have that cardboard taste. Some of them do, but them two I find they don't. And then the shake that I knew this would be my favourite, because in all shakes I like strawberry, apart from McDonald's, which is really weird. Don't like McDonald's milkshakes. They're not very nice for me. Same with chocolate, not a fan. But I've got this to try. I've also got a mint chocolate one to try. I also tried the Frappuccino ones. I'm a coffee drinker, and it really wasn't for me. Like, to me, it didn't taste at all like a coffee. So this is still my favourite, and I feel like it will be for a while. So that's the Exante meal replacement shake, which I normally have for breakfast rather than lunch. So day to day, I'd normally have this for breakfast, this for lunch, with a drink of Vimto, or I even have coffee and tea. You're not supposed to, but I do. And I've also been having just around 500 calorie meal for dinner. This month I've tried to incorporate exercise, but I'm going to try and extend that in September, because we need to really lose weight in this month because I'm falling behind my target. So drum roll, that's the worst drum roll ever, but I have lost weight. I hit over my target in the first week. Let me just grab my pad. So I started my journey, shall we say, in July. So I'd say 13th of July, and I was at my start weight 189 pounds, which is around 13 stone something. And then in July, my goal target was 187 pounds, because we were starting like kind of in the middle of July. I didn't know what I could lose, and I lost more than my target that month and got to 185 pounds 0.6. And now for August, my goal was 180, so I only had to lose 5.6 pounds. But did I do it? No, I didn't do it, because it was like things were going on. I just didn't do it, basically. I just didn't do it. But I didn't put on weight. I still lost weight, which I'm still quite happy with. So I'm 183 pounds last month. So I have lost weight. So in total, I've lost about 7 pounds. So on here, so I've written all my like targets on here in the month. So my target for September is 173 pounds. So I actually have to lose 10 pounds in September, which is a lot. So I'm going to kind of say I would be happy with 175 pounds, because then I would have hit my stone mark. But if I can get to 173, that would be great, because then I would be on target. But it's going to be a tough month to do that. I did weigh myself this morning, so it's currently, I think it's the 4th of September today when I'm filming. It's the Sunday, so you will actually see it today. Yeah, I was still 183 pounds, so I haven't lost anything since the end of August, which is my own fault. I have been not on it really. But this week I want to go hard, and then on the Saturday I've got kind of like a mini festival, and then I've got a week kind of not doing anything, I don't think, and then it's my birthday. So I need to kind of, there's 2 days where I'm obviously going to be drinking, but it is a lifestyle, you can do that. But I want to just, in the week, be really, really strict on the Exante diet and have bar, shake, 500 calorie meal. But yeah, that's my kind of experience so far with Exante. So I've been doing it since July, and I've lost in total 7 pounds, which I think is really good for me. It'll be great next month to be in the 170s, because I haven't been there for a long time. But I definitely feel, excuse me, driver, can you not? I'm trying to film here. Yeah, so what I was saying was, like, I feel a lot better within myself. Oh, this is also what I forgot to mention. I'm doing a challenge for Young Lives versus Cancer, which is a charity, for the whole of September. And I'd love for you guys to donate. My target's only £100, but I'll put everything, all links in the description for you to go and donate if you want to contribute to this cause. We're walking 60 miles in September, which is doable. But yeah, I just wanted to raise a bit of money for charity. So if you want to contribute, I'll leave all the links down below for you to go and check them out. They're a great charity, and like they're doing amazing, and they need all the help they can get. So I thought, why not put a link on my YouTube channel and see if anyone wants to donate. But yeah, like, without further ado, I feel like that's the end of the video. Like, I've lost weight. I'm going to be doing monthly updates rather than weekly, just because I feel like it gets a bit tedious, and I don't have much to say in these videos apart from I've lost this amount of weight. Do you know what I mean? Or I've gained this amount of weight. So luckily, touch wood, I haven't gained any weight so far when filming. So I feel like this is a big motivator for me. But yeah, £7 is pretty good going. We're half a stone down. Need to lose £10 in September, which is going to be a tricky one because it's the 4th now and I'm still at £183. So I'm hoping to lose £3 this week, and then that will get me right on track to lose the rest for September. But yeah, that's kind of me. I'm just gonna end the video here because I'm gonna be rambling on otherwise. But if you want to follow me, subscribe, do all the things, because obviously it's the best kind of months coming up. We've got autumn, cozy autumn videos, which I'm so excited for. We've got Christmas, we've got Halloween, we've got my birthday. Like, there's so many things going on in the next couple of months leading up to Christmas. So if you do want to subscribe, please do, because I'm so excited. These are my favourite months for getting all cozy and watching movies and doing all the things. Like, I love these months. I can wear jumpers and it's just lovely. But I'm going to stop rambling, which I've said about 50 times, and I'm going to see you in my next one. So I hope you liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Go and check out the charity and give your donations, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!